Hello folks, Gino here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2007 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide I want to show you. Bike's in nice shape. It does have a couple of little spots I'll try to point out to you. Got a good tire up here on the front. Front fender looks real good. Got a detachable windshield added to it. Comes with a 96-inch motor and a 6-speed. Mid-mount controls with upgraded foot pegs. Had a set of Vance & Hines exhaust added to it. Got this passenger backrest. Got a good tire on the back. It's almost new tire. Nice bike. I think I saw a couple of spots. Maybe it was on the other side of the tank. Oh, right here on the fender, there's a couple of little scuffs. Don't know how well you can see them. They're not real evident there, but there's a couple of scuffs there. And I thought that I saw something over here. Right here, looks like a little bitty rock peck right there on the tank. All in all, she's in fine shape. Runs out real good. Shifts out good. Got pretty low miles on it too. 5,746 miles on an 07. Not bad at all. We'll give it a listen right quick. If you'd like to know more about this motorcycle, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike was sent through our shop, checked and serviced, and it's ready to ride. Got some good finance options, some good warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company. Thanks for looking.